There are two types of dashboards which we have here, and these two are indicated here on the top left. We have the dashboard and the invoices. The dashboard is simply called dashboard, even though this is, technically speaking, your project management dashboard. All of the projects which you have set up or which your colleagues have set up will be on this dashboard tab. In case you just want to check invoices, the status of an invoice, or download your invoices, you can click on the Invoices tab, which will present you with all of the invoices, either from you or from your colleagues. Let's go back to the project management dashboard, where we're seeing a couple of items being presented to us. Let's start at this part here in the top left. What we can see here is called My List. Samplify operates what we call a two-tiered system. It will by default always show your project. In case you do want to see what your colleagues have set up, or you're working together with one of your colleagues on one of the projects, you can simply click on this drop-down menu, go to the company list, and can see everything which your colleagues have set up. Let's go back to My List. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and we hope you found this video series helpful. Please reach out to us in case of any questions, and be sure to ask Dynata for end-to-end help with your research and audience needs.